Hello students, today I shall discuss a beautiful poem, The Nightingale and the Glowworm. And this poem has been written by the famous English poet William Cowper. Okay? And the poem is about a nightingale and a glowworm. Alright? So what is nightingale in Assamese? In Assamese, the nightingale is known as Keteki, okay? Keteki Sorai. And the glowworm is known as Junakipura, which comes only at night, and used to give light. Alright? And the Keteki bird, the nightingale bird, it is a migratory bird, okay? It is a migratory bird. Do you know what is migratory bird? It used to travel from one places to another, okay? And it comes only in a special season. In Assam, the nightingale arrives only in the month of Fagun, Sot, Bohag, okay, and up to Zed also sometimes, okay. Means it arrives. Its new entries are before the beginning of the new Assamese year, okay. Before the Bohag, it used to come, okay. Fagun, Sot, it used to come from Fagun, Sot, and lasted through up to Zed sometimes. All right. So I have already told you that the poem is about a nightingale and a clever glowworm. Understood? The nightingale sings all day and beautifies its surroundings with its melodious voice. All right, you will get it. A nightingale. See the line. See the first line. A nightingale that all day long had cheered the village with his song, nor yet at eve his note suspended, nor yet when eventide was ended, began to feel as well he might. Alright, so the nightingale sings all day long, and beautifies its surroundings, and with its melodious voice, okay, with its sweet voice. The Keteki voice is so sweet. You can feel the sound of Keteki, the sound of the bird nightingale, okay, especially in the month of Bohag. After that, what happens as the story goes, at night means one day at night, as he feels very hungry, okay, at night as he feels very hungry after singing, okay, hunts down the glowworm as his meal. That means he wanted to take glowworm as his meal. So the glowworm starts to give compliment and praise the songbird as he is a quick thinker. So compliment means sometime when you used to praise someone that you are so good, you are so beautiful, you are so handsome, this is what you call compliment. And sometimes we used to praise others. Yes. So the glowworm starts to compliment. So the glowworm starts to compliment the nightingale and praise the songbird as he is a quick thinker. So why did he praise? Because he has got a threaten. That means that Junakipura, the glowworm, has got threatened that the nightingale will take him as his food. Okay. So the glowworm mentions that as the nightingale brightens and makes the day very cheerful, while the glowworm decorates the night with its light. Understood? You can see the line. He thought to put him in his crop. He thought to put him in his crop. Here crop means not hoysya, okay? Crop mane yat hoysya kotha koa nai. So crop, the meaning is given. Here you see, a pouch located in a bird's throat to store food. Sorai mane jot eta mona type eta bostu rakha hoy, jot rakha nohoy etu thake, jot sorai hiyote mane khadya bilak sanchoy koribo pare, food bilak, where they can store their foods. Okay, in cow also, the cow also used to keep those grass in that bags. Okay, anyway, he thought to put him in his crop. The worm, aware of his intent, harangued him thus right eloquent. Harangued means spoke to someone in a very persuasive way, in a very praising way. Understood? So eloquent means very fluent and expressive. Okay, expressive also. Did you admire my lamb? Quoth he. So as I told you, That the glowworm mentions that as the nightingale brightens and makes the day very cheerful, while the glowworm decorates the night with its light. Have you seen the glowworm? I think you have seen the glowworm. You have seen it is available especially in the night. Okay, it used to give lights and brightens the area. Okay, the brightens the environment. Understood? Brightens the night. Okay, so he says that both are the creatures of God. Who says? The glowworm says to the nightingale that you want to eat me, but we are the creatures. Both of we are the creatures of God, and both of them have their purposes, and hence should live in a harmony with each other. Okay, that means the glowworm requested the glowworm urged the nightingale not to eat him, not to take him as his food, because both of them are the creatures of God. Instead one can sing song, and one can brightens the night, because both of them are the creatures of God, so that they have their different purposes, and hence thus they should live in harmony with each other. মানে গ্লোৱাৰ্মটো কি কৰিলে যে মোক খাব নালাগে, আমাৰ প্ৰত্যেকে একোটা নিজা নিজা বেলেগ স্থান আছে। তুমি কি কৰিবা, নাইটিংগেলে ধুনীয়াকৈ গান গাবা, সমাজখনে শুনি বহুত ভাল পাব, আৰু মই কি কৰিম, ৰাতিটো মই জোনাক কৰি তুলিম। অ'কে, and with his eloquent and smart oration, you see, the songster heard his short oration, the last line, the last fourth line. The songster heard his short oration, and warbling out his approbation, released him, as my story tells, and found a super somewhere else. So with his eloquent and smart oration means speech. গ্লোৱাৰ্মটো কি কৰিলে, তেওঁৰ সুন্দৰ মানে ভাষাৰে, in an expressive way, in a fluent way, in a smart way. Okay, with his eloquent and smart oration, the glowworm convinced the nightingale to spare his life. কি হ'ল, ফাইনেলি গ্লোৱাৰ্মটোৱে নিজৰ জীৱন ৰক্ষা কৰিবলৈ নাইটিংগেলৰ পৰা জীৱন ৰক্ষা কৰিবলৈ সম্ভৱ হৈছিল। Okay, thank you. This is the summary all about the poem. If I get time, then I will explain line by line. Okay, there are some toughest word meaning also. You can see it is already given in your book. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.